morning. Today we are at Thukale and we are proceeding toward Kanyakumari, and we started like from 7:30 from Trivandrum, and the road was like very fine, and so from here it will like more 27 kilometers, and probably it will take 40-47 minutes to reach to Kanyakumari. And right now I can see a beautiful like paddy fields and beautiful landscape, so just we halted here for a break, and so see you soon in Kanyakumari. So finally we are at Kanyakumari. So finally we are at Kanyakumari. So it is the most southernmost part or point of subcontinent India, and you can see the Vivekananda rock where Swami Vivekananda meditated, and then afterwards on his name this rock and there is a memorial is also being placed for him in memory of him. So we are waiting for the boat to come here and then take us to the rock or the Swami Vivekananda Memorial House. So see you there. Now we are at Ferryghat, and from here you will get boat to Vivekananda Rock, and it will cost you like 50 rupees up and down. So you can come down easily and you'll get a ticket, and I think let's see how the boat is, and then take a boat to the rock. See you at the rock. So today we are at Vivekananda Rock. Vivekananda Rock is situated at the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is like the southernmost tip of the part of subcontinent India, and basically it is famous for there is a yogi or a Swami which is Bengal. He after received his teachings from his guru, he started traveling all around the world. So he also came to Kanyakumari, and it is said that from mainland he swam across to this rock and meditated goddess Kanyakumari, and he got enlightened. And after that in 1962 the people of local peoples wanted to create a memorial hall for him, so they finally created a temple and a memorial hall for Swami Vivekananda. In front of me you can see this is temple of goddess Kanyakumari, and there is a legend about goddess Kanyakumari is that she meditated to get Shiva as a husband, and she was meditating so strong, and the other gods believed that the Shiva might move from Kailash and come and sit around the southern part of India, and the other gods like Indra didn't want to have it. So she had a pledge that if the Shiva doesn't arrive next morning, she's going to turn herself into a stone. But what happened, she was about to arrive, but before the morning happened, Indra made some game, and Indra did just said that Indra made a cock, like a hen sound before the morning happened, and she thought that she was not arrived at the time, and she shed her body and turned to a stone. So it's a story of goddess Kanyakumari. Behind me you can see a statue which is carved by Narayan Rao, and I always wanted to come to Kanyakumari especially to visit this Vivekananda Rock, because this place holds a very special place in my heart always, because first of all it is about Swami Vivekananda. He is from my place, from West Bengal, and so I always wanted to come to this place and always want to see the last border of my country, southern border of my country, and it is the place where three oceans meet each other, like Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, and Bay of Bengal. And so today I am here, and there is a famous quote by Swami Vivekananda which is very popular, and from our childhood days we always used to hear it, and I also follow it, arise, awake, and do not stop till the goal is reached. Now I am at Kovalam beach. It's half an drive from Thiruvananthapuram. The morning is started from Thiruvananthapuram at 7:30, and then we reached in 2.5 hours to Kanyakumari. And from there it was 2 hours drive to Kovalam. So we have a halt and a little of view, and it's a lighthouse there. That's the main attraction of this beach. You can find a lot of jellyfish right on there. And evening time it will be this. We are moving back to Thiruvananthapuram. It's a half and drive, and we go back to room and rest, and maybe tomorrow again we come back here to have a visit.